Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of your YouTube videos constantly getting stuck, like uploading at like 5% or 10%, and then maybe it jumps up a little bit only to go back down, and it just like almost never uploads. Really frustrating. I was having this problem a ton, and I just fixed it, and like the level of frustration that's come off is pretty awesome. Um, so what you want to do, and this is assuming you've tried everything else, is you want to go to your settings on your computer. I assume you're going to be on a Windows computer, most likely. Go to your network and your internet settings. Go to change adapter options, and this is going to bring up your networks. I'm on Ethernet. You might be on Wi-Fi. Click whatever one you're using currently. So I'm going to right click and go to properties. And here you're going to get this list, and what you want to do is go over to this one, Internet Protocol version 6. If you're having this problem, it's likely that you have this enabled, as I did, and you're just going to want to enable that or disable that. Hit OK. Give your computer a restart, and then you should have no problem uploading YouTube videos. If this helped, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you so much.